Tôi đến từ công ty trách nhiệm hữu hạn Nam Á. Đối với chuyến thăm lần này của Aria và Rita, tôi cảm thấy rất vui. Các bạn ấy đã giúp tôi đánh giá nhà máy rất tốt và tôi rất hài lòng về điều này. Và tôi rất mong rằng là chúng ta có thể hợp tác trong tương lai. Cảm ơn.
Hello everyone, this is the Decent team. Now we have arrived at the customer's project site. Follow our camera to take a look. First of all, this is what the client's factory looks like. The customer is engaged in the production of wooden pallets. As you can see, there are many well-produced wooden pallets here. At present, the customer has not yet carried out woodworking dust removal. The environment is not treated, so the current environment is very poor. Let's first take a look at what machines the customer has used for production. When the customer processes the raw materials, it will produce some very fine dust. As you can see, the fine dust, and this machine is also used to process raw materials. It will produce some larger pieces of wood. This has caused a lot of pollution to the factory environment. That can see, there is a very simple, small bag dust remover for a simple preliminary treatment of dust, but as you can see, this simple preliminary treatment has not made a good improvement. Let's continue to take a look. Follow our camera. Now we are at the wood processing area. When it is full, it will produce a lot of fine dust. As you can see, when the wind blows, this fine dust will blow away the dust. This fine dust is very harmful to the human body. So the workers on our site are all wearing masks. This is a machine for cutting wood. This machine does not even have this small bag for preliminary treatment. The environment is very bad. As you can see, the ground is full of some fine dust waste produced by production. It has really caused a lot of harm to the health of the workers. So today, we are specially, at the invitation of our customer, came to the customer's project site to conduct a site inspection and testing. So today we saw some of the situations of the customer's project site. We will design our woodworking dust remover according to the situation on site to treat the environment of the entire factory. So if you are also encountered such a situation, please contact us immediately.